Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Success Guide. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that's at the forefront of technology and entrepreneurship. We'll be exploring how you can leverage the power of artificial intelligence, better known as AI, to start a business and earn money in 2023. So let's dive right in. Before we begin, let's briefly understand what AI is. Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It involves machine learning, natural language processing, and other advanced algorithms. Now, let's explore how you can use AI to your advantage. The first step in using AI to start a business is to identify a problem or a need that can be addressed using AI technologies. This could be anything from automating repetitive tasks, improving customer service, or optimizing business operations. Once you've identified the problem, the next step is to determine the type of AI technology that can solve it. For example, you might consider using machine learning algorithms to develop a recommendation system for personalized product suggestions. Now comes the exciting part. You can either build your own AI system from scratch if you have the technical expertise, or leverage existing AI platforms and tools that require little to no coding knowledge. Let's say you choose to leverage existing AI platforms. There are numerous options available, such as Google Cloud AI, Amazon AI, or Microsoft Azure AI. These platforms offer pre-built models and APIs that you can integrate into your business applications. Once you have selected the AI platform, you can start integrating it into your business processes. For example, if you're running an e-commerce business, you can use AI to improve your product recommendations, automate inventory management, or enhance customer support through chatbots. Remember, AI is not a magic wand. It requires continuous monitoring, training, and refinement to ensure optimal performance. Regularly analyze the AI-generated insights and make necessary adjustments to maximize its effectiveness. Another way to use AI for your business is by utilizing data analytics. AI can help you make sense of large volumes of data, providing valuable insights into customer behavior, market trends, and business opportunities. Furthermore, AI can also enable you to automate tasks that were previously time-consuming or resource-intensive. By automating these processes, you can save time, reduce costs, and increase overall efficiency. Now that we've covered the implementation of AI in your business, let's talk about monetization. There are various ways you can earn money by leveraging AI. First, you can offer AI-powered products or services directly to customers. This could include AI-based software applications, virtual assistants, or even AI-generated content. Second, you can provide AI consulting and development services to other businesses. Many companies are eager to embrace AI, but may lack the expertise or resources to implement it themselves. This presents a lucrative opportunity for you to offer your AI skills and knowledge. Third, you can partner with existing businesses to integrate AI into their operations. Collaborating with established companies allows you to tap into their customer base and leverage their resources while providing AI solutions tailored to them and their particular needs. Lastly, you can explore the world of AI-driven entrepreneurship. Startups focused on AI technology are attracting significant investment and attention. If you have a groundbreaking AI idea, you might consider seeking funding from venture capitalists or participating in AI-focused startup incubators and accelerators. Remember, the key to success in the AI business world is to stay updated with the latest AI advancements and continuously adapt to the evolving landscape. And that brings us to the end of our video. We hope you found this guide helpful in understanding how to use AI to start a business and earn money in 2023. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on technology, entrepreneurship, and AI. Until next time, keep innovating and harnessing the power of AI.